things are stacked with boxes in the back. Isn't that legal? It blocks your spots. Okay. Oh shit.
I'm staying here.
Record. Glenn, is everybody?
You know you hit that guy, eh? You know you hit him. You hit his vehicle. I watched you hit his vehicle. So it's a Toyota Echo, Bravo, Tango, Papa, Whiskey 206. She clipped the rear rear fender with her front bumper right there. What the fuck is she doing? Yeah, she just hit that. There's the fucking drive. Now she's going to hit this car. Now she just hit this car. This is Lisa. Why don't you stop? Stop. 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 Roll down the window. You've hit 2 vehicles so far. And you've hit that. You should put your car in park and take a look. Okay?
Yes, I have to go down.
I know, but you've already hit 2 vehicles. No, you've hit this vehicle already.
Okay, but I have to. Okay, you can't take my car back.
Well, just park right there and come out and I'll show you.
I saw.
Okay. But you can't leave.
My car out.
But you can't leave. Where do you want to park?
Somewhere. Okay, can take my car out.
You'll have to write these people a note.
Okay, can see.
Okay. It's just I don't want you to leave and then not tell these people, right? Otherwise, you can get charged by the police. You know what I mean? You hit that. You hit this vehicle.
No, that.
Yes, you did. I watched you. I watched you right here.
No.
Okay, well, I've got it on video.
Here?
So if you don't tell the truth, it's not going to look good. This is what you hit, the side here. You hit right here. Okay? You came in with your car and you hit here.
I didn't hear nothing.
You did? Okay, that's fine. I'll call the police. Okay? Because you also hit this guy. You hit him. Right? And you hit him.
Yes. And my yes.
Well, you hit 2 vehicles and you hit the pole. So you
How long?
we have to wait for these people, or you have to write them a note.
No.
You have to write them a note with your name and your
Yes.
telephone number.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So if you can get a piece of paper.
But where, how long for this time?
I won't call police as long as you leave a note and tell them. Okay? Do you have a pen and a piece of paper?
And I to you?
We put it on there. We'll put it right here. Okay?
Okay. I can.
I can write it for you. Okay. I'll get a piece of paper.
I can write English too.
Okay. I'll get a